The tools you're going to need are going to be 2 wrenches, you're going to need some all-purpose cleaner, you're going to need some sanding blocks or sandpaper, you're going to need some Allen keys, or just one, and you're going to need applicator pads and some WD-40, and also optional is a saw. The first step is going to be to take off any cup holders or water bottle holders or lights or bells that you have on the bike. That way you can just get down to all the bare parts. Once you have any accessories off the bike, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip the bike over, and you're going to want to take off the 2 bolts that are holding on the wheels on each side. You can use the wrench for these, and also I would recommend putting WD-40 on the nuts just to loosen them up a little bit. Once you've got the wheels off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the chain off. Now, I made the mistake of just trying to take the chain off, which took me forever. And if you have a chain removal tool, that will make it a lot easier, and that will be very quick. But if you don't, you can just use a hacksaw or even a Dremel or angle grinder. You can just cut it off, and you can see I did that later on in the video. just how dirty and rusted this old chain was. It's about 10 years old. Once you've got your chain off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray down your bike with all-purpose cleaner, or if you have a special bike cleaner, you can use that. And once you have the whole bike sprayed down pretty good, you're going to want to wipe it in with an applicator pad just to clean off all the dirty grease and any other contaminants that came off from the wheels or the chain. Now, once you have it all cleaned off, if you're planning on painting it like I am, you're going to want to get your sanding block or sandpaper, and you're going to want to sand down the bike. And if you have any stickers, you're also going to want to peel them off now, just so that way you can sand off any of the goo or any residue left from the sticker. Once you have your whole bike cleaned off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it over, and now you can take the seat off if you're going to paint it.